Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is that tender that I made out of the caboose chassis. And just wanted to show you how easy it was to add a piece of really nice tin litho to the tin litho consist. This thing cost almost nothing. It was a box of parts. And that caboose that I used, I paid $1 for. So I haven't even added the additional coupler, since this has a slot where the coupler goes, and this is all tab and slot, of course. I just hooked the coupler there, and it works absolutely perfectly. So you can use it as a tinder, you can use it as rolling stock. It's just a really simple way to add something to your tin litho that didn't cost anything. I mean, this was just made out of junk. Literally, just a box of junk. But I now have a new car on the tin litho consist. So I'll take it around real quick. It runs absolutely perfectly. This has got that replacement axle on it as well. So as you see, I have a new piece of rolling stock that cost me basically a few minutes of my time. You know, it was missing the axle. And although I have some axle, I just wanted to do a quick video on how to replace one. If you don't have an axle, because if you don't have an axle, you're stuck. You simply cannot run the car. But a really simple way to make a really nice car out of junk. So just a quick video to document this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.